Rich Tehrani with TMC. Thanks for watching. We are at WebRTC Expo 2013. We're in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm speaking with Doug Pelton. He's with Priologic. Welcome to the show.
Thanks, Rich. Good to be here. Really excited. This looks like it's going to be a great show.
So tell us a little bit about the company. What's happening?
Well, Priologic is, traditionally we've been a software development company, but mostly on the services side for larger Fortune 500 companies. In the last 8 or 9 months, we've got into the WebRTC space in a fairly big way. At the last WebRTC show, our product, EasyRTC, won the Best WebRTC Tools Award, which was fantastic.
Congratulations.
Yeah, it was a real surprise actually, because we actually started building our product November the 12th and won on November the 29th.
Wow.
So it was a very emerging market at that point, so it's going to be a little harder this time.
Competition's heating up. There's a lot more companies here.
Yeah. Last time there was about 20 companies, and I don't know, there was a number that didn't even demo, so it was a little bit easier to win. This time, I think I heard 51 companies.
Oh, at least, yeah.
51.
There's a lot of companies, yeah.
And maybe 35 demoing, so a little more competition. So we brought some new product, and so EasyRTC was built to be an open source platform for developers to easily build WebRTC applications. Well, the problem with open source is it's hard to figure out how to make money with it unless you're just doing services on top of it. And so we built EasyRTC Enterprise right on the heels of EasyRTC. And EasyRTC Enterprise is basically the back-end services and support and software that you need to build an enterprise-strength WebRTC application. So a large company, a telephone company, or any large Fortune 500 company is not going to be able to use a little bit of open source software and build something that's reliable enough for their taste, or at least that's my feeling. So we thought, well, let's build a platform that they can ride on. Our original vision was that we'd build this as licensed software that we could put in their back room, and it's quite a bit of work to build one of those. So what we've done is we built EasyRTC Enterprise as a platform with the idea that we can eventually package it for sitting in the back room of large Fortune 500s. But in the meantime, they can use it to build their applications or even deploy their applications using our service. So the third piece that we've done just in the last little while was we built a tool called talk.com, and it's free, secure, anonymous video chat. We're targeting 13 to 30-year-olds. And we're going to be showing that in our demonstration as part of it's built on top of EasyRTC Enterprise. So part of the reason to do that is to show how well EasyRTC Enterprise scales. And prove that by having a huge number of young people hopefully using talk.com.
Excellent. So it sounds like you told me a bunch about what's happening next, a bunch of information. That was my next question, so I'm curious if there's anything left that the audience should know about.
Oh yeah, well the other thing that so this is all about the future. WebRTC is a web-based thing. It's not a lot like telephone companies, but there is still the telephones in your pockets, that sort of thing that you want to use. And so we are building an iOS version of Talk, and we're hoping to get that out even in July. So our team has been just executing like crazy on building new intellectual property around WebRTC, with the idea there's a pack of hungry wolves, running alongside of us, doing exactly the same thing. This is a real Wild West time for the WebRTC world, and within a year or so it'll solidify, and there'll be some winners, and there'll be some others that slide away, I think. So it's an incredible race, and I'm really happy with how our team's been performing in getting software out. And we're really looking forward to demonstrating tonight and seeing if we could win an award or not. We'll see lots of others. Our odds are a lot lower this time. So
good luck.
Yeah.
Thanks for being here.
Thanks, Rich.